Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bean Terrace. This is my Gazania plant. In this pot I have planted two Gazanias. One is yellow and one is this color. It's orange. It's deep orange and yellow. It is a very hardy plant. It will be better if you plant one Gazania in one pot. It spreads well in one pot. New saplings grow under the old plant and you will get more flowers from the new plant, and you can also make new plants from those cuttings. See, I can show you. New plants grow from here. This is new plant, new leaves, and if you cut it and plant it in another pot, it will grow. There's a bud here. Let's see it properly. Okay. You will have more flowers if you plant one sapling in one pot. It spreads well. So I am going to share with you some tips of Gazania's care. It's pretty easy. Gazania is best for those people who are new gardeners. They don't know much care, and people who don't have much time. You can grow it. It's very hardy plant and very easy to grow. You have to remember some little things and your plant will be all okay. So first I'm going to talk about soil. Making soil for this plant is pretty easy. I also have this beauty. See, it's preparing its soil is very easy. It grows well in every kind of soil. If your soil doesn't have much fertilizer, still it will grow properly and give you a lot of flowers. But you have to take care of one thing, that is drainage. It hates a lot of water. Don't ever let the soil get soggy. Don't ever put so much water that your soil gets soggy. Otherwise, you are good to go. It hates soggy soil. It survives in dry soil better. Don't ever put too much water. It loves sandy soil. Sandy soil is best. So when you are preparing the soil, you can use 1 part garden soil, 1 part river sand or white sand, and 1 part compost. It can be vermicompost, leaf compost, cow dung compost. Any one of them, it's good to go. This is the best soil, and always remember to put 1 spoon of fungicide in that mixture in your soil. When you are preparing the soil for Gazania, put 1 spoon of fungicide powder, mix it well, and then plant your Gazania in that soil. It will grow very well. And next, light is very important. See, it loves sunlight. It loves to be in full sunlight. Keep it in a place where it can get sunlight throughout the day, from morning to when the sun is setting. It loves sunlight. If you don't give it proper sunlight, it will not give you many flowers. Keep it in direct light throughout the day. You can see there will be so many buds. This plant is new. It's still growing. I will show you when it will grow completely, and I will show you how much flower it gives you. From one plant you will get a lot of flower. It will grow well in full sunlight and it will give you more flowers. Don't keep it in shade. Never think of keep it in shade or semi-shade area. Never. Don't keep it there. You have to keep it in direct light throughout the day. If you keep it in shade, it will survive. It's not like it will die and all, nothing. But it will give you less flower if you keep it in shade, 1 or 2 flowers maximum. So keep it in full light. So pretty flower. I love Gazania a lot. It's very easy to grow. I don't take much care of them. And it's a very interesting thing that it look at the petals. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so see the petals are getting closed. In the morning it blooms, like it opens up totally. In the morning it opens up totally, and as the day grows, in the evening it will be closed. The petals will be closed. It opens up every day in the morning and closes in the evening. It already started to close. It's a very slow process, but if you watch every day, you will realize. In the morning, or if you come in the evening, it will be like this bud. This is a bud. This is not a flower, but it will all the petals you see, they are totally opened, but in the evening they will be like this. Okay, so come to the next part. Water is very important for all of your plants, but you have to know how much water you have to give. All the plants don't need same amount of water. Always remember that. You can't give same amount of water in every plant. As for Gazania, it loves dry soil, but you have to give it water, otherwise it will die. Don't give too much water in the soil. See, I don't know if you can see, the soil is not wet, it is dry. I watered in the morning. The water is not, look at it, see. Soil is completely dry. Don't let the soil get soggy. It loves dry soil. Only water when the soil is completely dry. Tomorrow morning it will be totally dry. I gave water at 9 a.m. in the morning. See, it's dry now. It's 3 p.m. and the soil is dry. So tomorrow morning it will be totally dry. And don't put a lot of water. If you want to water every day, just give water. Just give a little water and leave it. Don't water it up to here. never. Just wet the upper soil and that's it. Leave it there. This is the best thing. Then you can water regularly, but if you put a lot of water, then remember, don't give water in the next day if you see the soil is wet. If you touch the soil and you can feel it's wet or it's cold, then don't give water. If the soil is completely dry, only then give water. It doesn't love a lot of water. I also have this color, this white one. This one is not white, this one is light yellow and white. This one is completely white. Okay, so now let's talk about the fertilizer. It doesn't need too much fertilizer. Organic compost is best for this plant. There is no need to use chemical fertilizers. Once a month, use liquid fertilizer. I will share with you a video regarding liquid fertilizer, how to make it, which kind of liquid fertilizers you can make. There's a lot of liquid fertilizers. I think for this plant I use mustard cake liquid fertilizer, mustard cake powder, and make it into liquid fertilizer and give 1 cup of it or 1 mug of it every month. That is the best thing for this. That is enough. Or you can also use 1 spoon of organic compost once a month, 1 mug of liquid fertilizer, and 1 spoon of organic compost. That's it. It doesn't need, if you don't give fertilizer, that will be also okay, but you can give this liquid fertilizers. That will help to grow more flowers in this plant. Now this plant also gets affected by insects. Check for aphids or sap sucking insects. Look at the leaves thoroughly. It will be better if you check every week if there is any mealybug. Mealybug also affects this plant. This one is and fungus attack is also happens in this plant. Always check for sap sucking insects or mealybug or aphids. And if you use too much water, then fungus attack happens. Don't give too much water. And you can prevent these things by using fungicide every month. Once a month, spray a fungicide in all the leaves. Shower it with fungicide. And for insects, I use neem oil every month. Once a month, spray neem oil. That's enough for this plant. And if you see that neem oil is not working, then you can use chemical pesticides that's available in the market. I will make a video which kind of pesticides you can use. That's it. You don't have to do a lot of hard work to grow this flower in your garden. It survives in salty water too. The regions near sea where the water is a little bit salty, there also this plant grows very well. This is a very hardy plant. In coastal region it will grow fine. It will give pretty flowers like this there too. It doesn't like cold too much, so wherever you have hardy weather or too much sun or hot weather, this plant will grow properly in your area, and you don't have to do a lot of work, and it will give you some pretty gorgeous flowers. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can share your feedback if you like my video. You can ask me any question regarding this plant or any plant. I'll be happy to answer them. So that's it. Follow these steps in your garden and share with me the result. If you have any question regarding your garden or plants, ask me in the comment section below. I'll happy to answer them. If you want to see the flowers in my garden, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have link down below my Instagram and Facebook in description box. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. Stay safe and happy gardening.